At Cogan, design is treated as a true creative process. It starts with research in various fields such as architecture, furniture, or automobile design. During a weekend in Prague, in the Czech Republic, I was seduced by the works of the Czech architect Eva Jersina. Back at my office, my team and I decided to create a frame line based on the metallic structures she designed. From this, we developed a premium collection that we named Power Design to illustrate the supremacy we achieved in the design of these beautiful models. The process starts here, from this beautiful staircase with such a graceful curve in the middle. This curve happened to inspire the core of the temple sketches. To reinforce its structure, we drilled it with stainless steel inlays, binding the extremity of the temple with very attractive acetate temple tips. This special construction couldn't be made with titanium because of the cost and technical issues involved. Of course, such workmanship could only be made by a highly qualified manufacturer, French in this case. The same goes for the front of the eyewear, also made of stainless steel, where we took great care to design a good flow effect with the temple. Look at this frame from each perspective. You can see the perfect continuity between its shapes and volumes. To give texture and color to this eyewear, we used highly effective acetate end pieces, matching the temple ends. Acetate provides a true warmth to this piece, which stands out as very feminine. Available in 3 tones, you will notice that it suits a different personality according to the selected color. Gold-plated for the sophisticated woman, shiny black for elegance, red for more casual. To create Power 1 and 2, we moved from architecture to furniture. An armchair selected for the 2007 Furniture Award in Milan caught our attention. Its unique 3-dimensional structure reminded us of an airplane wing, very futuristic. At the material level, we selected titanium, specifically beta titanium, due to its lightness, flexibility, and ability to allow very thin sections. It is of course to Japan, the leading titanium eyewear maker of the world, that we turned for production. For example, the soldering of all these small parts that make up the temple require a very high level of precision. Laser soldering was mandatory in order to fuse the parts in an almost invisible way. What is most striking in this eyewear is its lightness, even though its architecture appears bulky. Also note the flexibility in its front without being too soft. For size 55, we chose a 165mm temple length for larger heads that can also be reduced to 155mm on special order. Generally, we don't recommend curving the end tips too much to avoid closing against the end piece. It is also not necessary as the pantoscopic angle is fine. With Power 3 and 4, we return to architecture, interpreting the metallic structures from the architect with a geometric rhythm. Made of pure titanium, this frame is even more striking with its lightness, even with a construction that appears more weighty. It's kind of a wink to the automobile universe. Look at how the temple is worked out with an egg shape, turned inwards just like its end piece, for a good flow between the temple and front. We also used a ruthenium silver inlay to enhance the flow between the front and sides, creating a bicolor effect. Finally, its 6 base provides a very dynamic and elegant effect. We believe that this style, easy to wear, will most certainly become a winner. The galvanic treatment for the Power Design men's collection is made of a first layer of 0.5 micron gold to get a good adhesion before receiving the precious silver ruthenium of 0.2 microns. Then we spray 2 layers of epoxy lacquer, the first being transparent, the second being colored based on the colors we chose. For Power 5, we designed a very thin rimless front, easily hidden on one's face. The The temple's construction was made with the structure of a glass staircase in mind for a bit of wit. Also made of pure titanium, the quality of the tools we used to drill the metal was essential for a clean cut. This eyewear addresses the elegant, handsome-looking man searching for quality and originality. In general, this collection is for all those who love fine craftsmanship. It is in a certain manner the equivalent in eyewear to fine Swiss watches, highest quality standards, top-of-the-range quality execution, and a purity in design that stands for the best. The Power Design line is for that segment of the market looking for something different and original in what they are buying, with little interest in the major brands that license their design to mass-market manufacturers. Only specialized eyewear designers, such as Cogan, are capable of bringing this type of high-level product to market.